Hey, what's up, guys? It's Paris Youngblood, and today we're going to be looking over Perplexity's new Chromium application, Comet. So let's dive right in. As you can see, uh, very clean UI, nothing too strong, not really taking you out of the flow. Um, Beautiful app. So you could see I have my plugins right here. Everything was able, I was able to import everything from my Chrome into Comment in very simple process, no craziness. In the whole process, you get to select what planet you want your profile picture and you name your profile, and that's where you start it. So if you see this arrow right here, this is where you could start a new tab, new window, your profile. You got your history, downloads, bookmarks, etc. And as you can see right here, when I click on those my planet, I could create other profiles. So right here, I have my work, I have a YouTube, and I have an add new profile. So awesome. I could switch contexts. I don't have to only be on one profile. I'm glad that they did that and they didn't kind of cheap out on you. Like, well, you have this subscription, you only can have one profile. So I really do like that they didn't block me from having that because I mean you pay for what you get essentially. So and then if you go right over here on this tab, you'll see that it opens up this sidebar where you can have quick access to financial information. So if you want to look up market summaries, different index funds, and latest news on this, very accessible. You got your travel. So if I want to go to the Golden Coast, it's going to give me information about it. It's going to give me an itinerary. Pretty awesome. Very rapid. Shopping. I feel like this is where Perplexity is going to shine on a lot of these tasks. So shopping, travel, academics, stuff like that. Very quickly accessible. And I'm going to be getting into the assistant right now to show you how awesome this is. So you got your academics tab. If you need to look up some academic information, just go there and you can click on it and it'll do the whole shebang for you. So, and right here you have your library, which is essentially all the questions that you've asked and you're interested in. You got your discovery, which is kind of your For You page, your top, other news. So, in also the finances, sports, information, all that. You could also create new spaces, um, kind of tailor your perplexity towards you. But now let's get into the fun stuff. We're going to get into the assistant tab. So right next to your bookmarks on this side, you're going to see assistant. And essentially what this is where all the awesomeness happens. So when I use this application, especially when I was using this for a minute, if I'm reading long PDFs or if I have long Word documents, it's able to take this information and tell me what's going on with it. I don't have to go over to a different tab to like ChatGPT or to Claude or to Gemini. Everything is right here on this panel, and it's parsing through the whole website, giving me the meat and potatoes. Okay, so right now, my assistant is going to my LinkedIn profile. It's typing in "Hello World," and it's going to post it. And I can see all this happening on this page right here. As you can see, it's taking screenshots of the past. I can say continue. It's reasoning now, going through that whole process of um, posting off this. Of course, I'm going to delete it because I don't want people on my LinkedIn. Um, so the task has succeeded. It worked. So I'm going to click on there. So I'm going to click on that task. And as you can see, it did post hello world for me. So I'm gonna delete this because I don't want people to think I'm crazy or anything. But that's cool. And if you guys are on LinkedIn, feel free to um, connect with me on there. Awesome to meet new people on there. My background: I am a program manager, a product manager for a software solutions company working with the AI products. So that's the awesomeness. So I could even tell it different tasks like go to make me Amazon shopping cart and or task it with giving me sports equipment or other tasks like that. Um, Here is the voice assistant. Uh, Go to Amazon.com and show me gym equipment.
I've opened a tab with gym equipment on Amazon.
So there you go. You can see that that the voice model was able to take in my voice and it was able to go to Amazon.com and show me gym equipment. Um, I'm gonna be honest, this has been a little hit and miss for me with trying to find it. Sometimes it could be a little sassy and be like, I already found it for you, or other things. But I prefer just to type it in. I think as this product grows or more products come out, they could improve upon this, and you're going to see some awesomeness with these voice agents. In addition to that, right next to it, you could see a summarize current web page. So if I exit out of this, and if I just select summarize this web page, it's going to give me a summary of everything that's going on this page. So this current web page is an Amazon search with gym equipment. So this is very simple. But let's go to an academic source. So let me try to find. So let's go here. Let's go to, hopefully this opens up. Okay, there we go. So I could click summarize this. And as you can see, this is a current web page, is an article titled Bridging the Digital Divide, Ensuring Equitable Access to Education Technology. So it was able to kind of summarize this whole content for me. And this also works with like PDF files. So if you have large reports and stuff like that, this application is able to go in there and read out what's going on, and especially like in emails and stuff like that. It's able, of course, I wouldn't want to share my emails to the world, but it's able to assist you in that. And one thing I do want to highlight with comment, this sidebar, even though it's a good chunk of space on it, I don't feel like it takes over the web page completely. So it's enough. It's that perfect line of like, okay, um, what like I could read what I need to read and then move my vision over to this, and it's not too much going on. Again, the design is very simplistic, minimalist, and I do appreciate that. Um, I love this with my workflows currently. It does help out a lot. Um, I love it. So uh, one thing that I didn't really hit on is you could also select your different models, like in regular Perplexity. Right now, I'm using the Claude 4.0 Opus Thinking, um, but it's an awesome tool. And in addition to that, you have the ability to use the at symbol in your chat, and you could reference um, chats just by your tabs just by pressing that on button. So, um, can you tell me about this video? So I could be in here in this tab and I could add it and then um, look up what's going on. And this is my YouTube video about uh, when the AI bans on Spotify. So it's able to reference that, tell me what's going on. And again, if you guys haven't checked it out, you guys could check it out, support it, like, subscribe. And also for this video, you can like and subscribe. Hey, that's pretty much it with the workflows of this application. Again, I think it's awesome. This is an awesome productivity tool. I could multitask better utilizing this. I don't have to go to a different tab, go in ChatGPT, copy and paste what I'm reading into that, try to understand that. And again, um, as a PM, this product has helped out a lot with having so many things going on. I'm able to really control my cognitive load and kind of offload that to AI to assist me in my workflows. But again, guys, this video was fun. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.